Hi everyone, welcome back to RAAS. Today we're going to show you how to steam your outfits to keep them looking fresh and wrinkle-free. So first thing you're going to need is your steamer. You want to make sure that you put clean water inside and give it a few minutes to heat up. There we go, we're looking good. We want to make sure that we have our outfit on a hanger. This way it'll let the fabric fall naturally and make it a little bit easier to get those wrinkles out. So we want to make sure that we're being very careful around these embellishments. Quick little tip is to steam from the inside out to make sure that we don't hurt any of those. We want to make sure that we're a couple inches away from the fabric and go in a downward motion. So we'll start from the top here, moving downwards. And then again, if you want to protect your outfit even more, you can steam from the inside out. So you want to make sure that we're holding it taut, give it some space, and then make sure we're staying a few inches away still, so that we're not touching the fabric and moving in that downward motion. Once we have it steamed, we're going to let it sit for a few minutes. Make sure you keep it hanging so that the outfit can dry out. Ensure that you don't have any damp spots on it. Okay, so once we have our outfit fresh and wrinkle-free, you will be good to go for your event. We hope this video on steaming your traditional wear was helpful. If you have any more questions or want some more tips and tricks on how to preserve your clothing, please check out our channel. Thank you guys so much and stay tuned.